Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to switch between two devices with using your headphones Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. You have to start by open application for your first device, then connect your buds to your device, then scroll down, click on earbud settings, click on seamless earbud connection and make sure that it's turned on. Now we should return and click on Samsung account. Now write your email, click next, then write your password, click sign in. Now close your case and turn off Bluetooth on your first device. Done. Then open application on your second device. Click on Samsung account, turn on it. Next. Sign in. Now we should connect our buds to the second device. So open the case and click connect. Now scroll down, click on earbud settings, click on seamless earbud connection, make sure that it's turned on. Now return. Turn on Bluetooth on your first device. And now we can switch between two devices. So click on connect. And we connected to our first device. Now click on try again or connect. And switch to the second device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!